Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Welcome back. January 2, 5:05 p.m. First day of trading in 2019. The biggest, most worrisome, or the most significant news of the last 5 minutes is the fact that they halted trading in Apple. They projected poor guidance while they're going to have record earnings and sales and whatnot. They are coming to the table with a lot of bad news. They stopped trading. They just reopened it at 4:50 p.m. New York time, and the stock is down $10.70, 7%. That is going to drag on tomorrow's market. It is dragging on the stock at the moment. That is a big move. While this stock has been the high flyer and the golden child of the market and of that industry for the longest time, the stock's taken a turn for the worse over the last few months with the market, and this is just sort of the cream, the icing on the cake. They are dumping out a lot of bad news all at once. I guess trying to dump and run, you know, it's like getting caught at home when your mom catches you doing something wrong and go, "Mom, not only did I do this wrong, but I did this, 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 and this. Please forgive me, and it's all going to be fine." That's probably what's happening here. Dump and run, the fundamentals, net, I mean, the stock's value obviously is diminished quite a bit, but there is a bit in the market when you get honest and tell the story. All that being said, Jan 2, first day of trading, 2019. You and I have been offline for the last week. A lot's gone on. Maybe I'll do a run through at the end of the week on what you missed while you were on vacation. I was here, but I did not give any reports because your boys in Germany, the Inside Wirtschaft team, was on vacation. Net, let's talk about today, because today was significantly significant. This market opened down on news about global slowdown economically, China. You know, it had a weekend of New Year's, of Trump, of political unrest, of geopolitical unrest, of incoherency and madness coming out of Washington and whatnot, and the end of the worst performing year we've seen in decades, the end of a downward spiral in the market since mid-October, the total evisceration of so many stocks trading down 30 and 40% on basically a anxiety caused by the incoherency coming out of the markets, coming out of Washington. I can't really blame it much more on that. Politics and markets have crossed paths, and it's not pretty. It is the death cross, in my opinion. And we don't know how much longer that is going to last. Oil spent a couple of months getting eviscerated, bottomed out here. That was a participating factor in today's rebound. Let's go back. Market opened down as much as 400. Spent the rest of the day rallying back, and that was helpful. Perhaps a bit of a rebound in oil. I don't think it came out of any great narrative coming out of Washington, except that we are fresh money coming into the market. I think there's going to, you know, and I don't think all the pain is gone. We saw market open down 400, rally back to as much as up 100 on a day, a 500-point reversal. Volatility is here to stay, and that's good for me in the markets, maybe not for you long-term investors. I'm not sure all the pain is gone. We are going to see upwards and downward movement to their extremes. We've got an administration and policies. We've got Fed. We've got Brexit. We've got China. We've got Apple. We've got so much headline news coming out. We've got so much unraveling over the last couple of months. We've got so many people trying to figure out what to do. We've got PMs trying to figure out when to put in money. Do we wait? Do we pause? Do we figure out really what's going to happen with this administration, with their Fed, with their future? And at what point do we disengage the politics in the markets that have crossed in an insane death cross and basically get back to fundamentals, basically get back to smart investing, and basically getting back to investing on fundamentals? That's all I'm going to say for the first day back. I don't want to pound you guys to pieces. After the close, Apple pulled their numbers on guidance going forward. Stock is down 10 3/4 points. That will drag on tomorrow's opening no matter what. But we did have a big reversal in the day. It was a constructive day for the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P in a market that opened down 400, rallied back up 100. That's a good show of some kind of confidence, but I'm not sure the pain is done. This is Inside Verstov, NYSE Einstein from the floor of New York Stock Exchange. Happy New Year. Merry New Year. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.